Okay, yeah, this one says I am a truck driver with for the past 10 years and I flipped about 5 homes, but my question is, where would you look for financing for commercial property so I can make my grandchildren's life better than mine was? That is awesome.
You're watching a segment from a Peter Harris live event. Join us for our next live event. Register at commercialpropertyadvisors.com/live.
That's often, Stephen. And this is why I do this business, right? Because I get to work with people in that situation, your situation, and help them with their grandkids. So what privilege I have. What a great job, right? Stephen, we have a new coach of ours. He started off as a student in 2018, I believe, and he lives in Northern California. He was a truck driver, and he spent years on the road, and he drove fuel, so it was kind of a high risk job. Make a long story short, I don't have a lot of time here. He ended up buying six, I think six small multifamily properties, and in those 5 years, he generated about $600,000. And he financed them. He didn't have any cash in his own. He financed them by magnificently using his HELOC. Okay. So his video will appear on the screen, right? So Dave, he's a truck driver, and I want you to watch his story. All right. Can you use a VA loan for commercial properties? The answer is no. But guess what? If you wanted to buy a fourplex with no down payment or low down payment or 3.5% down payment, you can do that. Okay, and live in one and rent out the others. That's a great way to get started. Let's see. Oh, what is a HELOC? Okay, great question. Sorry, I didn't say that. HELOC is HELOK. It's a home equity line of credit. Is where you borrow money from the equity on your home and you cash it out and you use it as a down payment for your commercial property. Okay. All right. What is the best way to use your home equity to generate cash flow? All right, that's from Dwayne. All right. So team, did you hear that? What is the best way to use your equity and your home to buy property? I have a video with over 1 million views on how to do that. So that link will appear there. Okay, can a master lease work for a 1031 exchange? And the answer is no. All right, because in the master lease, you do not have legal title. You have what we call equitable title. So you can't master lease uh, a 1031 exchange. I tried it, okay, and it's not possible, okay?
Ever wondered how pro investors find and analyze deals for maximum profit? How to secure financing even if you're a beginner? Or attract and keep tenants for steady passive income? Commercial Real Estate for Beginners delivers simple, actionable steps to master it all. Tap the link on the top corner for your free copy today.
Is an attorney required for a master lease agreement? Yes. Okay. Because we have in our system here, we have a form section with all the agreements. We have a sample master lease agreement sample there. It's about 16 to 18 pages long, but what needs to be added to it is your state's contract language. So you can take our format, okay, send it to the attorney, save yourself $1,500. They don't have to recreate it, and all they have to do is put in their state language contract. But so yes, you need to use an attorney for that. Do you use Facebook Marketplace for listings or something else? We use Facebook marketing when we wholesale our deals. Okay, it's a great place to put your deals up there, but you have to make sure that what you put up there is done well. Okay, so you just can't throw it up there and expect a great return. So we can teach you how to do that. All right, what other questions? Wow, so many questions. All right. So with squatters on the rise, will this affect beginner investors? Absolutely, right? Squatters are out there, but yeah, there are ways of dealing with them, and the best way is to really know what you're doing. Uh, Personally, I don't know any of our students that have squatters in their units. Squatters mainly come from people who are inexperienced, not crossing their T's or dotting their I's, bad agreements, things like that. Okay. Not something we teach our students to do.
Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my protege program right here.